Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004, which generally is genuinely huge. Velo especially has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005 in an especially significant manner. Velo's EMA10 for the most part shows a kind of descending pattern, which essentially is genuinely huge. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, or so they in a real sense thought. 17 December 2023, in this video we will for the most part walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for the following week, and especially attempt to answer these regularly for the most part gotten clarification on some things, facts, what in a real sense is somewhat transient cost expectation for Velo, generally is Velo a genuinely wise speculation? Certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Velo support and opposition levels and so forth, which basically is genuinely critical. Yet, prior to plunging especially profound into the Velo specialized examination, explicitly let us sort of discuss the for the most part current economic situations, so Velo basically has a medium-term opposition at $0.005 in every way that really matters. Significant way. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,590,508,773,070, showing how 17 December 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these regularly generally got clarification on some things, facts, what most certainly is momentary cost expectation for Velo, fundamentally is Velo a very wise speculation, or so they explicitly thought. The all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $47,266,939,707, showing that Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin shares 51.6% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 16.33%, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $41,931.87 level after a decay of 1.69%, which sort of is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a value lessening of 1.26%, coming to $2,227.65 during the past 24 hours, which by and large is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $243.32, following a value change of 1.39% within a similar time span, so Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 0.87, and right now exchanging at 62 cents in an extremely significant manner. Furthermore, Solana came to $73.24 subsequent to seeing a decay of 4.71% in esteem, or so they truly thought. These occasions for the most part show that the market really is going in a really descending heading for genuinely present moment, exhibiting that the kind of complete exchanging volume truly remains at $47,266,939,707. Showing that Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 in an unpretentious way. As of now, a really broad kind of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized markers used to generally distinguish genuinely key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path in a kind of large manner. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers most certainly become sort of more certainly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which vendors certainly become move pretty dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving essentially higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following really are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution is per value examination market file, Velo, for the most part is exchanging at $0.004, with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743 in every practical sense, further appearance how Velo support and obstruction levels, and so on in an unobtrusive manner. However, Velo explicitly has a value decline of 5.82% in the truly last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week, with a genuinely complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars, showing how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, or so they most certainly thought. Velo Value Examination Velo Cost Investigation for 17 December 2023, inside an everyday time period, truly made sense of beneath, which in every practical sense shows that market investigation over the in every practical sense last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole digital money market to $1,590,508,773,070. Exhibiting how 17 December 2023, in this video we will by and large walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly basically clarified some things, facts, what for the most part is for the most part momentary cost expectation for Velo, truly is Velo a truly wise interest in an unpretentious manner. We utilize really relative strength index RSI, moving kind of normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including extremely straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and dramatic moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Velo in a genuinely enormous manner basically. The very relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the Velo coin sort of is in oversold stage, as RSI really is a 30, pretty further appearance how various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum has seen a value lessening of 1.26%, coming to $2,227.65 during the past 24 hours, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Velo United States dollar moving fundamentally normal combination and disparity, MACD, pointer especially is showing a genuinely present moment by and large sell truly signal, as the MACD line generally is moving underneath truly signal line which essentially implies sort of bears most certainly are ruling on the lookout. Showing how these occasions basically show that the market by and large is going in a descending course for exceptionally present moment, exhibiting that the genuinely all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $47,266,939,707, exhibiting that Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004. While Velo's Williams percent R pointer most certainly is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, showing an oversold condition and kind of momentary pattern, truly inversion sort of is conceivable, exhibiting how Velo basically has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005 in a significant manner. Bulls can move the market in vertical bearing, which especially is very critical. Velo fundamentally is moving in sort of descending course, as really bears effectively, especially take the coin underneath quick help level of $0.004, showing the way that bulls can move the market in vertical heading, which truly is genuinely critical. Presently Velo ought to essentially track down a help at $0.004, or, in all likelihood,